DAPPER 2-in-1 Face and Beard Wash. This product here is amazing. It's the perfect product to start your day with. It allows your skin to be refreshed, tightened, and toned. Glad to get a jump start of the day, and you can also finish your day with DAPPER. DAPPER has ingredients such as aloe vera, witch hazel, black willow bark, chamomile to help calm the skin. It can be used twice a day or as often as you would like, but this product here is perfect for the face and the beard. It's really good for the beard because this does not dry out the beard, the facial hair. So it allows you to get a deep cleanse as well as moisturize the face and the beard hair. So try DAPPER. DAPPER is an amazing product. It can be used alone or it can be used with refined buff and cleanse and finished off with smooth face and beard moisturizer or with a beard oil for a beard care kit.